Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the start of a new series on the channel. We will have daily news bits where I am going to, of course, talk about different news items that are making, of course, the tech news. And there might be more than one in a day, but there will always be at least one, and we will focus on some of the things of interest that are happening in the world of tech. So in this news bit video, we're going to talk about Wikipedia that's been hit over the weekend by a distributed denial of service attack. And this is something that has happened from time to time, but this weekend's attack was bigger than usual. They actually took down Wikipedia into several countries. Now, apparently the attack is still ongoing, but what they do is usually they, mitigate the attack. They ask the providers of the bandwidth for the internet to, kind of reroute and do changes that mean that the attack doesn't have an effect anymore. But it is interesting to see that Wikipedia was hit by a DDoS attack. And, Wikipedia is that encyclopedia that is, for some people, controversial because every time you have knowledge, every time there's something we can talk about, there's always going to be controversy. Also, the fact that some articles are more controversial than others. There are articles in there, of course, that you kind of wonder because of the different people that actually participate, what, they really want to talk about. But overall, it's still it's pretty good encyclopedia in general. The latest tests and the latest verifications seem to show that Wikipedia in general is very accurate in what it has to say. And more, some of their articles are actually being protected. Only specific people are allowed to do modifications, for example. So if you were unable this weekend to actually get into Wikipedia for some reason, it was not your computer, it was not your internet connection, Wikipedia was hit by a distributed denial of service attack, which is simply a way of saying it's actually so many requests at the same time for the website that it actually took it down because it was over the limit of what it could actually achieve in bandwidth. So interesting to see that this happened over the weekend. Actually happened Saturday, September 7th, and from this morning there's still a high volume of traffic apparently, but of course, like I said, they have mitigated the attack, so it doesn't really show anymore. But just in case if you find that it's a little slower than usual, it could still be because of that. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.